This is Radius tool roll. We designed this thing because basically we all got sick and tired of our tools rattling around in the back of our overlanding vehicles. We have a genuine leather top handle. It's all bartack construction, cordura exterior shell, anodized aluminum G-hooks for the closure. We designed the tool wrap to take up to a 14-inch length tool, and how many things you layer into the burrito changes the diameter. The diameter can change, from something like this to something like this. Inside, we have 3 clear pockets with heat shrink zipper pulls. We have a map or a manual sleeve here, and then we have 3 layers of pockets here in the main body of the tool wrap, so you can put things in from both top and bottom. And then we have an additional layer of 3-inch elastic across the middle. If you're sick and tired of your tools rolling around and making noise in the back of your overlanding vehicle, then the tool roll is a perfect solution to that problem.